The kidneys are amazing little organs. Each day they process about 200 quarts of blood, getting rid of excess water and waste products, removing toxins, and keeping the body functioning smoothly. If the kidneys are not able to remove toxins and waste from the body, they will build up in the body and hinder the normal functions of kidneys, livers, and other organs. There are several reasons why you should flush out toxins and waste from your body. Flushing out waste and toxins prevent potential infection and reduce the risks for bladder problems. Cleansing the kidney also reduces the chances of having painful kidney stones. There are some foods that may help the kidneys remove toxins from the body, improve kidney health, and reduce the risk of kidney disease. Number 1. Red peppers. These peppers are low in potassium, which can be hard on those who have kidney disease. They also contain a good amount of vitamin C, folate, vitamin B6, and fiber. Vitamin C is an antioxidant and plays a role throughout the body in energy production, body flow, and metabolism. Folate and B6 contribute to the formation of red blood cells. Red bell peppers also contain lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that keeps kidney healthy and prevents renal failure. Number 2. Garlic. Garlic, onions, shallots, chives, and leeks all contain allicin. Allicin is an organic sulfur compound that has some mighty anti-inflammatory properties. It also fights infection, has beneficial effects on blood pressure, and can act as an antioxidant. Number 3. Cranberries. Cranberries contains antioxidants that may prevent urinary tract and kidney infections by reducing bacteria levels in urine. They are also low in potassium, phosphorus, and sodium. There are close links between urinary tract infections and kidney infections, and a urinary tract infection can lead to kidney complications. Number 4. Lemon juice. Lemon juice is naturally acidic and increases citrate levels in urine, hence discouraging the formation of kidney stones. Lemon juice also filters blood and flushes out wastes and other toxins. Daily intake of diluted lemon juice reduces the rate of kidney stones formation and dissolves calcium oxalate crystals, which is the most common constituent of kidney stones. For people with kidney stones, combining lemon with olive oil ensures a smooth passage of the stones. Number 5. Watermelon. Watermelon is a mild diuretic. It hydrates and cleanses the kidney. It is also rich in lycopene, which improves cardiovascular health and ensures well-functioning kidneys. Watermelon also has large quantities of potassium salts, which regulate acidity of urine and prevents the stone formation. In fact, eating watermelon regularly is great for kidney health. Number 6. Basil. Basil is an effective diuretic. It removes kidney stones and improves kidney functioning. Basil also lowers the level of uric acid in blood and improves kidney health. Its ingredients such as essential oils and acetic acid break down kidney stones and allow for smooth removal. Basil is also a painkiller. Number 7. Kidney beans. Kidney beans not only resemble the kidneys but also remove waste and toxins from the kidney and flush out kidney stones effectively. Kidney beans are rich in vitamin B, fiber, and several minerals, which help to clean the kidney and boost the function of the urinary tract. Number 8. Ginger. This spice has been used as a digestive aid for hundreds of years. Ginger has been shown to protect the kidneys from damage caused by diabetes, alcohol, and dehydration. When combined with thyme, ginger may offer even more protection. Thyme has been found to lower blood pressure and cholesterol. This is beneficial to the kidneys as high blood pressure can have a significant impact on the organs. Number 9. Turmeric. Turmeric is related to ginger and can also protect the kidneys from damage, though it isn't recommended for those who already have kidney disease due to its potassium content. Number 10. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is effective in preventing oxidative stress of the kidneys. It increases the levels of antioxidants in the body, balances blood sugar levels, and reduces blood pressure, creating optimum conditions for kidney health. Apple cider vinegar contains citric acid, which dissolves kidney stones. Frequent intake of apple cider vinegar also flushes out toxins from the kidneys. Other effective cleansing agents are coconut water, cucumber juice, cherries, and a wide variety of other healthy and tasty foods. If you have a history of kidney problems, talk with your healthcare provider before trying a kidney cleanse. Drink plenty of fluids regardless of what you try. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more.